this video, I'm going to explain final variables, methods, and classes. So, what a final variable does is it makes that variable act like a constant, and it cannot be changed at any point past instantiation. So, let's just say I have an integer, and I'm just going to call I. I'm going to set it equal to 50. Now I'm going to print I, so system.out.println, and I'm just going to print I. Now I'm going to set I equal to 60. Let's say I just wanted to change it like that. I'm going to print it again. So let me just copy it here, and then there we go. And I get 50 and then 60, like that. Now, what if I change this to final? Okay, well now this won't work because after I've already instantiated it here, it acts like a constant. It can never be changed. So, if I run this here, I'm going to get an error. See? Now, I have to keep it like this. So, yeah, it'll always stay 50. Okay. Now, what about a method? All right, well, let's see here. I have a pet class here, and I have a dog class. The dog extends the pet class, so this is a child of the pet class. All right, so I'm going to have a method here, and let's just, let's call it print method. Alright, so we have our print method here, and we're going to make it print hello world from pet class, like that. Okay, so we have our print method, and let's just go over to the dog method here. Now, I can actually override the method. So I can make our own print method in here with the exact same name, and let's just make it print from dog class, like that. Alright, so I have it overridden here. So if I make a pet here, so let's just make a pet, and let's call it goldfish equals new pet. And then in pet, I passed a name, a string for a name, and an integer for an age. So let's just call it Goldie. And then Goldie will be 2 years old. Okay. Now, I'm going to, from Goldie, I'm going to run the print method. And this will give us hello from pet class. Hello world from pet class. Now, I want a dog. So, dog, and then let's call him Oreo equals new dog. His name is going to be Oreo. And then he will be, let's make him 5 years old. Okay. So, now we have, and let's set his breed to poodle. Just for fun here. Okay. Now, I'm going to run the print method that we set from the dog class. So, let's do Oreo.print method. So this will actually give us two different things, even though they're the same method, just because we overrode it in the dog class. Alright, but now I'm going to make this, in the pet class, I'm going to make this final. So, public final void print method. Now we have a problem. We can't override it in the dog class. It doesn't work like that. So if I run this, we're going to get an error. As you can see, print method in dog cannot override print method in pet, overridden method is final. So we actually can't override it now. See, and now it'll say hello world from pet class because it'll call because the dog inherits this print method. Like that. Alright, so there's final methods, and now I'm going to explain final classes. So if I have a final class, we have a problem, because if you make a class final, then you can't have any children classes. So we can't have the dog extend pet because pet is final. So dog has to be its own class here. If I get rid of this, and I get rid of this, this should still work. But now we can't, this is all there can be. We cannot add children to this class. And yeah, that's it. That's just a little bit about final variables, methods, and classes. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.